this week. So this morning we're waking up in the upper 70s, warm and humid. It feels like 82, mostly clear. Our dew points are in the low 70s, expected to drop into the upper 50s. Our winds right now are blowing from the east-southeast up to 9 miles per hour. So far, Texas continues to be off heat advisories and excessive heat warnings for today. Our hair is not going to be looking great. It is going to be all over the place, and that is due to that humidity. Our dew points will be in the low 70s to low 60s, expect to drop into the upper 50s just for a couple of hours, but it's going to be in the high 50s. So, yep, if you wanted to do a ponytail, go for it. But if you want to let your hair loose, also as well. So, getting ready for school as well this morning in the upper 70s. It is going to be mostly sunny today. We're going to get to see more of those clouds. Even yesterday, we saw lots of clouds as well. Our winds blowing from the east-southeast up to 10 miles per hour. And then many of you are excited once you're going back home. We're going to be in the triple digits around 3 p.m. Our winds blowing from the east up to 8 miles per hour. There's lots of shower activity going on as well, where there's lots of heavy rainfall. We do see mainly in the west and also getting near San Antonio. So there are going to be rain chances mainly in the west all the way into Dallas, where they're going to be experiencing lots of heavy rainfall. For us, it would be by Friday. It was on Thursday, but now it had moved to Friday. So for Friday, we're starting off with a 20%, and then it's going to increase as we head into the night all the way into the weekend into a 40% chance. So this morning, how's the rest of our viewing area waking up? In the upper 70s to low 70s, 72 for Heavenbell, 78 for Zapata, 79 for Falcon Dam, 76 for Cotula, also for Catarina and El Sinal. So today, make sure you apply some sunblock. It is going to be hot. We're expected to reach our highs in the triple digits. Back to you. Well, good Tuesday morning. Many of you are getting ready to go to school or to work or just to start your day off, and it is going to be warm and humid this morning, waking up in the upper 70s, feels like 82. Our winds are blowing from the east-southeast up to 9 miles per hour. No heat advisories once again for us across South Texas, but it's still going to be hot for us here in Webb County. Our highs are expected to range in the 90s to triple digits. This morning in Texas, we do see that in the Texas Panhandle, very nice cold temperatures finally for them. They're waking up in the upper 50s for Amarillo, 59, and also in the low 60s. Then in the west, in the 70s, 71 for El Paso. As we move into the central part, in the upper 70s, 79 for San Antonio, even for Austin, 74 for Dallas, 79 for Houston, all the way down into Corpus Christi in the upper 70s, 80 for Brownsville, 79 for us here at home, but it already feels like the 80s, in the upper 60s for Beaumont. So today, we're not expected to get rain chances, but it will be changing by the end of this week. Those rain chances will appear, being at a 20 to a 40% as we head into the weekend. Lots of shower activity mainly going on in the west, expected to extend all the way into Dallas, where they're going to be experiencing those isolated to scattered showers. And for us for today, just keep in mind it is going to be mostly sunny. Make sure you apply some sunblock. Hot and humid to hot and dry later on in the afternoon, because our dew points are expected to drop into the upper 50s. We do see that in Nevada all the way into the Four Corners, showers and thunderstorms, especially going on in Arkansas all the way into the Great Lakes, even in the northeast. And this is where Hurricane Lee is. It's a Category 3. It's when are up to 115, and then by the weekend it's expected to approach the New England area as a tropical storm that could be producing lots of heavy rainfall and flooding. So for us now, moving back home in the upper 90s to triple digits tonight, dropping into the low 90s. It is going to be warm and muggy, breezy as well, and then we do see those rain chances for Friday all the way into the weekend. Back to you.